Welcome to this 5-minute short breathing meditation for anxious mind. Find a quiet space where you can sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let yourself be in the moment. Begin by noticing your breath just as it is. No need to change it yet. Simply feel the air entering through your nose and leaving through your body, through your nose or your mouth. Now bring your attention to your body. Feel the ground beneath you supporting you. Notice the weight of your body, heavy, safe, and still. If your mind is racing, that's completely okay. You don't need to fight your thoughts. Just let them pass like clouds drifting through the sky. Now we'll begin to deepen the breath. Inhale gently through your nose for the count of 4. Hold for 2 breaths and exhale softly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last round. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Feel your shoulders drop a little bit more with every exhale. Feel the mind beginning to quiet down. With every inhale, imagine breathing in calmness and light. And with every exhale, you're releasing tension, fear, worry, and stress. Let your breath be your anchor. Every inhale brings you back to yourself. And with every exhale, release what you no longer need. Take one final deep breath in and a long, slow exhale out. Gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, Softly open your eyes. Remember, peace isn't somewhere outside of you, it lives within your breath. Thank you.